Hello everyone, welcome back to Godida Media Studio. If it's your first time here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and also to follow us on all our social media platforms. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen, but Duduzane Zuma is trending yet again. This after a video of him was recently posted on all the socials.
Bakandida mana bazama ukungiqindeze mina ngizolenza iqembu mina ngizophumelela ngolenza iqembu isala kutshelwa sibona ngomovu abalungelwa yilutho bonke abanomono baphiwa inhliziyo bathakathe ngathi fise lokhu bemihla namalanga.
So I'm going to admit that yes, Duduzane Zuma right now seems to be the complete package. So I don't really blame Pume for saying he's her type. At this point, he is everybody's type. And that's all we have for you guys today. Thank you again for tuning in to Godida Media Studio. Do not forget to subscribe. See you again next time.